Reli, you look way more energetic than usual this week, huh?
Well, I got a whole extra 30 minutes of sleep. Just that tiny bit, and bam, like I switched to power up mode.
Oh my God, 30 minutes and you're acting like you've been handed a brand new life.
For a chronic undersleeper like me, it really feels that way. Anyway, how about you lately?
I'm trying to build this early riser habit. The waking up part works, the getting out of bed part, not so much.
Haha, that's called the mind is awake but the body files a formal protest.
Exactly. Every time the alarm rings, it's like I'm negotiating a peace treaty with my pillow.
Honestly, to make it easier, try putting the alarm far away. I did that once, it really works.
But if it's too far, I'm scared I'll just crawl back into bed after turning it off.
That's a willpower issue.
Reli, my willpower in the morning is paper thin. A light breeze could knock it over.
Then we've got to train it like training a pet.
Willpower, sit. Good boy. That's what you mean, right?
Haha, yeah. Except yours keeps running away instead of sitting.
Hey, I'm still trying, you know. Lately, I've even been doing 5-minute morning meditation.
Oh, how'd that go?
I fell asleep mid-meditation.
Another chaotic week, huh?
Chaotic? It's a maze, and I don't even have the map.
So, you're lost the whole week?
Exactly. Monday morning, I open my eyes and there's a deadline standing by the bed, tapping my shoulder. Hey, buddy, miss me?
More devoted than my crush, honestly.
Speaking of, who is this crush?
That story's for next weekend. Back to your boss.
My boss cranked the difficulty this week, keeps giving tasks like, Sophia, could you help me with this? No rush, but I need it before this afternoon.
Starts off gentle, ends with a knockout punch.
All I could do was smile. The desperate kind of smile.
How did you handle it?
What else? I did it. By the end of the day, my eyes looked like 2 moldy baguettes.
Actually moldy?
I mean, totally sunken and dead.
Ah. So a heavy workload this week?
Heavy, tough, and completely incomprehensible. One task I read it 3 times and still had no idea what the boss wanted.
What did you do?
Sent a message asking for clarification.
Did they reply?
Just do it by feel.
Oh wow. Pure art.
I'm not a painter to go by emotions.
But working by feel does sound kinda romantic, no?
Only romantic when the feeling comes with a user manual.
So, which feeling did you end up choosing?
The feeling of wanting to quit.
Why?
Kidding! I went with the most logical one. Luckily, the boss said, okay, that works.
I think you do great work, that's why they trust you like that.
Don't flatter me.
Not flattery. Truth.
Well, it does feel nice to hear.
My week was lighter, but way too many pointless meetings.
Pointless, as in you leave wondering what the purpose even was?
Yep. Half an hour just to agree. To meet again next week.
Haha, I know that feeling.
One meeting, the boss said exactly one sentence. Everyone just be proactive, okay? Then logged off.
Proactive. About continuing the meeting?
Exactly.
So, how was your actual work this week?
Decent. I finished a small project.
Nice. Progress.
But
But what?
I sent it to the team and got back. Really, you did great, but we actually want a different direction.
Ouch. Like rubbing salt in the wound.
Yeah, but I'm used to it.
Reli, you're so patient. If it were me, I'd be complaining to the heavens.
I do complain, just to my pillow.
Ah, your most loyal coworker.
Exactly.
But you know, I've realized something.
What?
No matter how exhausting work gets, sitting here talking with you every week makes everything feel lighter.
Same here. Seeing you is like hitting the reset button.
Yeah, that warms my heart.
So, what's the lesson from this week?
Lesson 1. Never let deadlines see you weak. Lesson 2. Always clarify before doing anything by feel. Lesson 3. When tired, schedule coffee with Reli.
Lesson 3 sounds the most reasonable.
And yours? What did you learn this week?
1. Fewer meetings. 2. Always be clear. 3. And invite Sophia for coffee every weekend.
That last one sounds suspiciously intentional.
No hidden agenda. I just want you to feel less stressed.
All right, I'll believe you for now.
Believe me all the way.
Fine, I believe you. But in exchange, next week you have to tell me about your crush.
Who?
Don't think you can escape. It's just the two of us here.
We'll see.
Rely.
Okay. Next week?
Promise.
Promise. Mornings that are too quiet just drag me straight back to sleep.
Right. Meditation turns into an emergency power nap.
But honestly, I love how persistent you are. It doesn't happen overnight, but you keep showing up.
Yeah. I don't need to be perfect right away. I just refuse to give up.
There it is, Sophia's life philosophy.
Hey, do you think I should start morning workouts?
Sure. But start with 5 minutes of stretching. Don't jump into 100 crunches and then declare defeat.
100 crunches? Reli, I'm not even sure I can tie my shoes without getting winded.
Then start with breathing.
Is that advice, or are you roasting me?
50 to 50, your choice.
Ha. But seriously, my routine's been a mess lately.
How so?
Staying up late, watching shows, waking up late, grabbing whatever for lunch.
I get it. When life's hectic, it's easy to neglect yourself.
Yeah, but sitting here with you on weekends makes everything feel peaceful again.
Because the coffee's good?
No, because I have you sitting across from me.
Same here.
We should keep these weekend afternoons. A little reset for life.
Deal. And next week you report if your sleep schedule improved.
Ugh. Homework now?
I'm a strict friend.
Fine. I get it, Big Brother Reli.
Hey, don't switch roles like that.
How else am I supposed to tease you?
All right. But remember priorities this week. Sleep enough, wake up on time, eat properly.
Got it. And if I manage all three, what's my reward?
I'll treat you to a matcha.
Motivation just shot up 200%.
Then make it happen.
Don't worry, I won't fall asleep while meditating anymore.
Perfect. And cut back on the late night shows.
No promises.
Hey, come on.
But I'll try.
That's good enough.
Okay, Reli, time's up. You promised to tell me about your crush this week.
Wow. You really don't forget anything.
If I forgot, I wouldn't be me. Come on, spill. Who's making your heart flutter?
Not sure.
I what?
I'm just choosing the right words to set the scene.
Reli, no stalling. I'm listening.
All right. But promise you won't laugh.
I won't. Unless you say, my crush is a cartoon character.
Not that.
So, a real person?
Yeah, a real person.
Well, who?
Someone who complains a lot about being tired but never stops trying. Someone a bit clumsy but incredibly sincere. Someone who struggles to wake up early but wants to live better every single day.
That sounds an awful lot like me.
Well?
Don't tell me.
Yeah, it's you.
Well?
Don't go silent on me like that.
I'm just surprised.
I surprise myself too. At first I just loved talking to you. Then, little by little, I started counting down to the weekend, just to sit here with you.
Reli?
but you don't have to say anything back. I just wanted you to know.
Of course I have to answer. I'm not some side character in your life.
So, what do you think?
Let me be honest. At first I thought we were just really good friends, someone to vent to, laugh with, share random stuff. But then
Reli,
I realized, if I don't see you all week, something feels missing. And whenever something fun happens, I think, gotta tell Reli this weekend.
so that means
It means, I like you too.
thank you.
But,
Wait, there's a but?
of course, feelings aren't something you rush.
I know.
I want us to stay just like this for now, coffee, talking, sharing. Let the feelings grow on their own, no pressure.
I'm in.
And also,
Another one?
you have to keep teaching me how to wake up early.
That's the easy part.
Easy for you, torture for me.
Then I'll call you every morning.
Reli, don't say cute things like that right in front of me.
I mean it.
I know.
So what about you? Any conditions?
Me? I just want you to keep being you. No acting, no pretending to be perfect.
That's easy.
But if one day I'm grumpy or stressed,
I'll be right here.
you answered that way too fast.
Because I'm sure.
Rely. Do you think we fit together?
I do. You live with your heart, I live with my head. You forget things, I remember everything. You can be a little spoiled, and I don't mind at all.
Hey, who's spoiled?
You.
Okay, maybe a tiny bit.
Teeny bit.
Fine. Quite a lot.
I like it that way.
Stop it. My face is burning.
I can see that.
Rely.
Okay, no more teasing.
But thank you for liking me in this gentle way, no fireworks, no pressure, just being here.
I'll keep being here every weekend.
Yeah. And so will I.
So what's your goal for this week?
Live a little better, sleep a little earlier, think a little kinder.
And
Like you, just a little more.
then I'll wait.
No need to wait. Just sit here and drink coffee with me, that's enough.
Deal.
Deal.